the easiest way to add perspective to a picture in Canva. For example, I want to add a perspective photo in this wall. First, I will add guides. Just drag the ruler here. If your work page doesn't show the ruler, just go to File, Setting, and Show Ruler and Guides. Okay, and then add the other one here. Add from the top to here to mark the corner, and here, also here, and drag to here for this corner, okay. And then add the photo. I will put it here on the top corner left, and then increase the size to touch the bottom left corner, and then go to apps, and then type here this totally, choose this one. You can use perspective, but I prefer use free. Okay, click it. Now drag this corner to here and this corner to here. Now click Save and Close. And there you have it. Just go to File, Setting, Clear Guides. Okay, so this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.